My name is Sreeraj K and I am from Kerala in Kasaragod. I completed my B.Tech in Trikaripur, College of Engineering Trikaripur. The year of password is 2024 and the branch is CSE, Computer Science and Engineering. It's in Kasaragod, and from there I got selected to Pyspiders as an incubation student, and I got selected from there. Later, after my B.Tech career, I can come to here for Python full stack Python developer course, and for 6 months I trained here for Python full stack developer. Ranjita ma'am is my Python trainee, and there is also SQL that is covered by Krishna sir. Their mocks, their classes are very good, and Ranjita ma'am teach very well, and also sometimes Sachan sir also helped me a lot. Assignments and mocks groomed me for an interview and how to talk in interview, and last minute grooming sessions are there for every interview, so that's also helped me a lot. And presentations that had after every classes, after every topics, that also helped me to study and in a planned manner. There is a lot of requirements are came for me, but some companies are asking some very high level questions. For the first time I am feared for answering that. I have no proper knowledge how to answer for that. Later when I groomed from here, I know how to get into that answer, how to answer for that questions. So later for further interviews I passed some more rounds. I am very thankful to the Pyspiders and the Pyspiders trainee, and also for the HR. Thank you for that.